Did you know that communication is incomplete without feedback? Feedback তথা মতামত বা সঁহাৰি অবিহনে communication সম্পূৰ্ণ নহয়. Feedback is the response given by the receiver to the sender. এজন ৰিচিভাৰৰ পৰা sender তথা প্ৰেৰকজনলৈ অহা সঁহাৰিকে feedback বুলি কোৱা হয়. Without feedback, communication becomes one way. With feedback, it becomes clear, effective, and meaningful. Feedbackৰ হৈতেহে এটা communication তথা যোগাযোগ ফলপ্ৰসূ আৰু সম্পূৰ্ণ হয়. For example, in the sentence, teacher, do you understand the lesson? Student, yes, I understood. Or Sime asks a question. So, student's response is the feedback here. Always remember, no feedback means no real communication.